Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to change your location on YouTube step by step. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store and in the search bar type YouTube. Make sure that your YouTube app is updated to the latest version. If you see an update button, tap on it and wait for the update to complete. Once the app is updated, open the YouTube app on your phone. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Inside settings, tap on General. Here you will see the location option. Right now, it might be set to a specific country, such as United States. Tap on Location, and you will see a list of different countries. Simply select the country you want to switch to. Once selected, your YouTube location will be updated automatically. Changing your location can help you see trending videos and content from a different country. That's it for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful YouTube tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.